Okay, hello everybody. I hope I got everything set here. Just came in the shop here and you can see I'm in my shop. Got the fire going, starting to get a little warmed up out here. It's, what did it say, 7 degrees in here when I walked in. Outside, 7 degrees outside, so no insulation. I'm suspecting it's about the same in here. So I was sitting there, well, making dinner last night, and I turned on to YouTube and I seen John Wilburn was doing a live on his channel, so I clicked it on over there and said he had some kind of big announcement going. So I turned it on, and while I was waiting on it, browning up the hamburger to make Taco Tuesdays, he announced they're going to have a big event in Missouri, however you pronounce it. I guess it depends on what part of the state you're in. At Jeffers Motorsport Park, down in the southeast little tidbit of Missouri. It's an event. They're going to have all kinds of stuff there. They're going to have drag racing, call out racing, heads up racing, bracket racing, burnout contest, car show, mini bike racing. I mean, it's going to be a big to-deal. Sounds like your normal one, you know, car event, motor, yeah, I guess you'd call that a motorsport event. But there's a difference in it. This one is geared towards YouTube creators. That got my juices going. Really got my juices going. They're putting this all on to kind of support the smaller channels. And I'll leave a link and everything down here for everybody on how to go check it out. And if you can, I hope you can make it, because come hell or high water, I'm going. And in it, they were kind of, you know, hinting towards calling people out to get to the event, you know, and things to build your channel up, get your subscribers up, and, you know, it's a challenge for all of us YouTube creators who do car stuff. And it got me to thinking, and damn near burned up my hamburger while I was thinking about it. But I'm going to do a challenge in it. I'm going to go down there, like I said, come hell or high water, and I'm going to call it the Empty Trailer Challenge. I got something special for it. I'm going to give away a YouTube channel starter kit. I'm going to leave it up to Dallas and John, you know, everybody that's involved with putting this all together. You guys can figure it out however you want to figure it out. But I got an old 72 Ford Ranchero sitting out back. I got it on parts. I'm not going to do anything with it. So I got the crazy idea. I'm going to take the title, throw that thing on a trailer, take it down there, and you guys can give it away to whoever you want to give it away to. You can raffle it off, you can, whatever you want to do with it. Give it to somebody to start their YouTube channel, or they can do a build series on it. I don't have time to get to it. I don't want to get to it. But there's a lot of people out there that want to start this. They want to get into it, But the most common thing I hear is, well, if I only had a project to do it with. Well, here you go. Like I said, I'm gonna call it the Empty Trailer Challenge, because I'm gonna take it down there, and I'm hoping and praying I don't have to bring it home on the trailer. So, that's my challenge to everybody out there that's gonna be there. I look forward to seeing you all there. It has lit a fire under me from my own car to get there, and I was this morning while I was waiting for daylight, because in here I can't film until daylight comes. I ain't got enough light for the camera. I was watching the other channels, Dust Devil Garage. You got an awesome thing going, and I'll tell you what, I almost wanted to challenge you on that, but I want to build for the show. I want to get in on the show part of it. Racing, I'm not sure about, but I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that 58 that the plans changed on, that's just a shell too, and I'm going to try to get that to, what is it, Jeffers Motorsport Park. My plan is to have it haul the trailer with the Ranchero to give away. My YouTube starter kit for somebody. And like I said, it's up to you guys. I don't care how you do it. If you want to give it away to the participants that get there, and then you can do whatever you want to do with it. I'm not going to tell you what to do with it, but if you video you taking that pink slip and going up into the stands and giving it to somebody so they can start theirs, you know, there's probably 10,000 views in an hour of them seeing you do something like that. Whatever you want to do with it. Just don't let me bring it home. I ain't got enough hair left to grow a mullet, so Ranchero's out of the question for me. Anyway, that's my challenge to everybody out there. I'm going to take that, throw it on a trailer, take it up there, and I'm going to donate it to the event on, like I said, however Dallas or John wants to handle it, or whoever else is involved. You guys want to raffle it off to get a little bit of money back for all the insurance it's going to take for that, or whatever you want to do with it. And hopefully it gets used to help somebody build their channel up too, because I really like this whole inspiration that it's brought to not only me, but I can tell, like I said, watching Dust Devil Garage and Rabid Transit, I checked out some of your videos there. Same thing, man. This thing, it just lit a fire of inspiration under me, and I want to pass a little bit of that along to maybe help somebody else do the same. If you happen to end up with it and you don't have a trailer and you don't want it, you could do something like Uncle Tony's doing and give it to a group of kids that they can go out there and build their car with, and grab some good content with it. I'll take you out there and I'll show you around on it. It's a giveaway car. What does it need? It needs one of everything and two of some of the others. It's not full of Bondo because most of the Bondo that was in it fell out. It's what is it? It's about 20,000 hours worth of really good content if you want to put the car together. That's what it is. And you can use it in an infinite number of ways. If it's something you don't want or need, but somebody needs the doors off of it and the fenders off of it, and they've got something you need off of it, you know, there's 1,000 ways to use this car to keep it from becoming a T-post. By that I mean crushed and sent to China and stamped into those T-post fence posts. Anyway, that's my challenge out there that I'm going to lay down, and however you want to use it, use it. If it all falls apart, I guess I end up dragging another car back home, and it's one that I've already had in the backyard, so the wife won't notice so much. But I'll take you out and I'll take you around on it, and you can kind of see what it is in this YouTube channel starter kit. And if nothing else, you'll get the metal hot somewhere, and that's what matters. Let's go out and take a look. Okay, this is it. A YouTube starter kit. Farm fresh. As you can see, she needs a whole lot of everything. Somebody started this project, got it down into semi-primer, and gave up on it. The inside, yeah, like I said, it needs everything. It's got a set of, looks like FE valve covers in there. It's got the keys in the ignition. As Derek could say, that's factory. It's got the fenders there. When I got it, it said that everything was in here, but I'll tell you right now, it is missing a few things. Comes with a custom redneck hot tub here, guaranteed to have a couple holes in it. I'm kidding, I'll take that out. I'll clean the garbage out of it. It's got a little Bondo in the tailgate. There, I got rid of some of it for you, but actually it doesn't look too bad. That wouldn't be too bad to straighten out. Things that I do know that it is missing, it's missing the hood and the front grille part. Those two I do know is missing. But it does have a 9-inch, 4-linked 9-inch Ford rear end. Front disc brakes, power brakes if you get the booster. Yeah, I don't know, it might be in the back there, I don't know. Anyway, this is it. It does have a clean Idaho title, and that all goes with it. And like I said, what I can see out of this is hours and hours of good content to get your YouTube channel going. And I want to take it pretty much like it is. I'll take all the garbage out of it, of course, and throw it on probably that trailer there or that trailer there, and I'll get it to Missouri for you, and you guys can give it away however you want to give it away. Meantime, I'm either going to get that 58 going, but that's kind of my parts car. That's the one I'm making into a gasser. I don't know, I'm tempted to go ahead and build that and then run the race with it. I don't know. More than likely, I gotta hurry here because it's so cold it kills this battery in a hurry. Now I'll get around my shoebox there. More than likely it's going to be this one. If the plans go right, this is the car here I'll have together with the trailer on the back of her, and get her to haul that and get rid of it to somebody who needs it at this event. And as you can tell out there, I got way too many projects. Last thing I need is another one. So that's my plan, that's my challenge. I'm gonna call it, like I said, the empty trailer challenge. Holy cow, it's cold out here. Anyway, Dallas, John, however you want to put that together, however you want to do it. If you don't want anything to do with any of that, I don't blame you, it's a ranchero. I'll figure out how to give it away once I get down there, if nothing else. Holy smokes, it's cold. Anyway, that's my plans for it, and I hope to see you all there. It's going to be a heck of an event, whether you're like me and you just want to go for the show, or if you actually want to go for the racing. And yeah, if I sit here and think about it long enough, my wife has never been on, never drag raced before. Maybe I can get that together enough, I'll put her in the driver's seat and she can bracket race it. I don't know, something's gonna happen and I'm gonna make sure I'm there. Hope to see you all there. It's gonna be a heck of a good time. Meantime, get out there and get that metal hot. Even if it is cleaning the shop, getting that lift set up in here and all of this stuff out of the way so I can get that dang car in here before it just keeps freezing out there. Meantime, keep that metal hot and we'll see you all in Missouri.